December 5, and you can see they're smoothing the walls. The front little part is smooth, and the side here, called Messia. They put on 2 layers. You can see them splattering on this first layer. And then they'll go back over it with a second smooth layer. Let's see if we can walk around. Try and stay out of their way. So this is the second smooth layer with the concrete they're putting in. Really nice. See if I can squeeze through here. Looks like all the wiring and the hangers are ready for the sheetrock for the ceiling. See if we can get a shot of the back of the house. And the side from back there. Kitchen. So almost all of the walls downstairs have been the final layer of Messia. I can't get upstairs today because they're doing the stairway with the first rough layer. I don't want to get that landing on me.